Plants that remove bad smells from your home. Yes, you read that title right there, are actual plants that can remove bad smells from your home, not just cover them up with fragrance. And I know exactly why you clicked on this. Maybe your kitchen still smells like last night's fish dinner. Your bathroom has that permanent damp smell. Or there's just that weird musty odor you can't quite locate but definitely can't ignore. Here's the truth: some plants genuinely absorb odors, break down nasty compounds in the air, and actually purify your indoor environment. This isn't about pretty flowers temporarily masking smells. We're talking about plants that literally clean your air and eliminate the stuff causing those odors. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which 7 plants to get and where to put them for maximum smell-busting power. Stick around for number 5, because that one destroys kitchen odors like nobody's business, and it's probably a plant you'd never think of as an air purifier. Let's get into it. Plant 1, snake plant, the unkillable odor destroyer. First up, the snake plant, also called mother-in-law's tongue. This plant is famous for being nearly impossible to kill. But what most people don't know is that it's also incredibly effective at removing toxins and odors from the air. Snake plants absorb formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene, basically all the stuff that makes your home smell stale or weirdly chemical. They convert these nasty compounds into oxygen, literally cleaning your air while sitting there looking dramatic with their tall, sword-like leaves. Here's the game-changer: snake plants work at night. Most plants only purify air during the day, but these bad boys keep going 24/7. This makes them perfect for bedrooms where you want fresh air while you sleep, or bathrooms that get stuffy and weird. They're also absurdly low maintenance. Bright light, low light, whatever, they'll survive. Water them maybe once every 2 to 3 weeks. Forget about them for a month and they're still fine, just silently judging your neglect while continuing to clean your air anyway. For odor removal, put them in rooms that smell stale: bedrooms, bathrooms, laundry rooms. One medium-sized snake plant purifies about 100 square feet of space. So for an average bedroom, 1 or 2 plants should handle it. Plant 2, peace lily, the mold smell killer. Peace lilies have glossy green leaves and elegant white flowers, but they're secretly mold-fighting machines that destroy musty smells. Here's what makes peace lilies special: they absorb moisture from the air, along with the compounds causing bad smells. Got a bathroom that always feels damp? A basement that smells like old wet towels? Peace lilies target exactly those problems. They filter out mold spores, absorb excess humidity causing that damp smell, and remove volatile organic compounds, basically the chemical smells from cleaning products and air fresheners. So, if your home smells like chemicals trying to cover up other smells, peace lilies actually fix that. Peace lilies prefer low to medium light, perfect for bathrooms without bright windows. Water when the top inch of soil is dry. They're super dramatic about needing water. They'll droop like they're dying, but give them a drink and they bounce back within hours. It's like plant theater. Put them in bathrooms, laundry rooms, or near litter boxes. If you have cats, they help absorb ammonia smell. Just keep them out of reach because they're toxic to pets if eaten. 1 peace lily in a small bathroom makes a noticeable difference. Like, you'll actually smell the improvement within a couple weeks. Plant 3, spider plant, the formaldehyde assassin. Spider plants are those cheerful, striped plants that produce baby plantlets on long stems. They look friendly and harmless, but they're absolute champions at removing formaldehyde, that new furniture smell that gives you headaches. Formaldehyde is in tons of household items, pressed wood, carpets, upholstery. It smells bad and it's everywhere. Spider plants specifically hunt down formaldehyde and break it down. These are ridiculously easy to grow. Any light condition works. Water when dry. They grow fast, produce tons of babies, and ask for nothing while cleaning your air. It's almost unfair how little effort they require. Perfect for living rooms with new furniture, home offices with particle board desks, or anywhere with that chemical smell. And they're safe for pets, which is huge if you've got curious animals investigating everything. The cascading babies look great in hanging baskets, perfect for bathrooms or kitchens where you want air purification but no counter space. One spider plant filters about 200 square feet, and because they produce so many babies, you can propagate them throughout your home for free. Plant 4 English Ivy, the mold destroyer. English ivy is a trailing plant that reduces airborne mold particles by up to 94% within 12 hours. That's not a typo, 94%. If you've got musty mold smells, English ivy doesn't mess around. It also filters formaldehyde, benzene, and other nasty compounds. So you're getting broad-spectrum air purification plus serious mold-fighting power. English ivy prefers bright, indirect light and consistent moisture. Keep the soil evenly moist, give it decent light, maybe mist it occasionally. It's slightly more particular than snake plants, but not difficult. Perfect for steamy bathrooms, humid kitchens, or damp basements. The trailing vines look beautiful cascading from shelves while destroying mold spores in the air. Important note: toxic to pets and humans if eaten. Keep it away from curious cats, dogs, or small children. But for homes without those concerns, it's an incredibly effective air cleaner. Plant 5 Areca Palm, the kitchen smell neutralizer. Okay, here's the kitchen champion, the Areca Palm. Most people think this is just a pretty tropical plant, but it destroys cooking odors like nothing else. Areca palms filter formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene. But here's the magic: they're incredibly effective at neutralizing organic cooking smells. Fish, garlic, spices that linger for days. The large surface area of all those palm fronds absorbs odor molecules from the air. Plus, the plant releases moisture that helps dissipate smells faster rather than letting them settle into your curtains and couch. It's like having a natural smell elimination system running constantly. Areca palms like bright indirect light and consistent moisture, basically normal kitchen conditions. Water when the top inch is dry. And they're happy. Put one in your kitchen and cooking smells stop lingering. That fish from last night doesn't haunt you the next morning. Your kitchen just smells fresher even with constant cooking. These can get large, up to 6 or 7 feet indoors, so they need floor space. But even smaller palms help significantly. Plus, they're non-toxic to pets, perfect for kitchens where curious animals investigate everything. If you cook with strong spices or foods that smell amazing initially but overstay their welcome, an Areca palm will change your life. Plant 6 Boston Fern, the humidity balancer. Boston ferns are lush, feathery plants that balance humidity while removing odors. They add moisture to dry air, but also absorb excess moisture when it's too humid. This prevents musty smells from developing in the first place. They filter formaldehyde and xylene, helping with chemical smells. But their real strength is maintaining perfect humidity levels where odors can't develop. Boston ferns prefer bright indirect light and consistent moisture. Keep soil evenly moist and give them humidity. Bathrooms are perfect. If your bathroom smells off despite regular cleaning, a Boston fern balances things out. Also great in entryways or mudrooms where wet shoes and coats create musty smells. The fern manages moisture and keeps spaces fresher. Cascading fronds look beautiful in hanging baskets, perfect for bathrooms. One large fern improves air quality in about 100 square feet. Warning: they'll dramatically drop leaves if unhappy. They need consistent care. But if you keep them happy with regular watering and humidity, they reward you with lush growth and noticeably fresher air. Plant 7 Lavender, antimicrobial fragrance that actually works. Lavender isn't just masking smells, it has antimicrobial properties that fight the bacteria and mold causing odors in the first place. The essential oils in lavender are naturally antibacterial and antifungal. So it's not just making things smell nice, it's reducing the microorganisms creating odors. That's completely different from synthetic air fresheners that just cover up problems. Perfect for bedrooms, the scent promotes better sleep while keeping air cleaner. Great in bathrooms to combat mildew. Put it in closets or near laundry for natural freshness. Growing lavender indoors requires lots of bright light, ideally a south-facing window. Water sparingly, it hates wet feet. If you can provide those conditions, it's pretty low maintenance. You can also harvest and dry flowers for sachets in drawers, closets, or cars. Ongoing odor control even from harvested material. It keeps on giving. Maximizing results. Here's the thing: you need enough plants. One tiny plant in a huge room does nothing. General rule: one medium to large plant per 100 square feet for noticeable results. Placement matters. Put plants where air circulates, near doorways, windows, vents. Moving air brings odors to plant leaves for absorption. Plants stuck in dead corners can't work effectively. Keep leaves clean. Dust-covered leaves can't absorb pollutants. Wipe large leaves monthly with a damp cloth. It's maintenance for your natural air filter. And real talk plants work alongside cleaning, not instead of it. They enhance efforts. They're not magic fixes for ignoring underlying problems. These 7 plants offer a natural way to actually improve indoor air quality while looking beautiful. No synthetic air fresheners masking chemicals with more chemicals. Start with 1 or 2 based on your needs. Musty bathroom, peace lily. Lingering kitchen smells, areca palm. Stale bedroom, snake plant. Match the plant to the problem and give it a few weeks. You won't see overnight results, but over time, your home just smells fresher, cleaner, more natural, and you've got beautiful living things instead of plug-in air fresheners. Which plant are you trying first? Got a specific smell you need eliminated? Drop a comment and let's troubleshoot together. Here's to naturally fresh-smelling homes.